Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 3.2 of the video lecture series conic section. In this video, we will be starting the practice questions on the ellipse. So let's get started. So the first question is the eccentricity of the ellipse 25x square plus 16y square equals to 400 is. So very first step, always remember that if the equation is not in standard form, first make it in standard form. So how you can make this in a standard form? What is the standard form of an equation of ellipse? It is x square by a square plus y square by b square, it is equals to 1. So it is a standard ellipse. So we have two types of ellipse, one is horizontal and another is a vertical. If a is greater than b, we have horizontal. If a is less than b, we have a vertical. Okay, so based on that we have the value of the eccentricity. Okay, so if a is greater than b, then what is the eccentricity form is, it is a b square is equals to a square into 1 minus e square. And if a is less than b, then what you can say here is a square is equals to b square into 1 minus e square. So in both the cases, so please make a note of this, जो छोटा रहेगा ना वो LHS में रहेगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे b छोटा है तो b LHS में, a छोटा है तो a LHS में. Now see here what type of equation they have given is, it is 25x square plus 16y square, it is equals to 400. So you want on RHS you want 1, so divide the whole equation by 400. So it is 25 by 400 x square plus 16 by 400 y square, it is equals to 400 by 400 1 हो गया. So 25 by 400 is nothing but 16. So 16 by 400 nothing but 25. So you will get x square by 16 plus y square by 25, this is equals to 1. So from this what you can conclude? Okay, so if I compare this equation, equation number 2, and this is equation number 1 with the standard equation, this is nothing but the a square and this is nothing but the b square. Now here the case is what? It is a b is greater than a, that's why use the formula which is a square is equals to b square into 1 minus e square. Okay, so they are asking for the eccentricity. Okay, so a square by b square, a square कितना है? So a 16 is equals to 25 into 1 minus e square. So it is 16 by 25 is equals to 1 minus e square, which is equals to, implies e square is equals to, what you will get is 1 minus 16 by 25, which is nothing but 25 minus 16, which is 9 divided by 25, this is nothing but e square. So if I take square root, so you will get e is equals to what? 3 by 5. Always remember that eccentricity is always less than 1 and it is always positive. Okay, so it's very simple what you have done. ये भाई समझाने के लिए इतना टाइम जाया. ठीक है, so solve करने के लिए just you have to make sure that you have the equation of ellipse in a standard form. Once you get the a and b value, you can find out any other parameter of this ellipse, like लेटिस रेक्टम रहेगा, मेजर एक्सेस रहेगा, माइनर एक्सेस रहेगा. ठीक है, फोकस, those things we can, those parameters we can easily find out once we get a and b value. Okay, very good. Now what is the second question? The sum of the focal distance of any point on the ellipse with the major and minor axis as a 2a and 2b respectively is equal to the sum of the focal distance. So let's understand this question, it's very important. Okay, so we have this as an ellipse. Okay, so this is minor axis, this is my major axis. So itna part hai na, this part is a major axis. So this is a focus, first focus and second focus. See, focal distance of any point. So let's consider I have one point P here, P in bracket m comma n. Now focal distance of any point means what? This distance, ये focal distance means the distance of a point from the both focuses. Okay, so this is d1 and this is a d2. Okay, so it is s1 and it is s1 dash, you can consider anything. Okay, so what is the sum of this d1 plus d2 is equals to, they are asking. So d1 plus d2 is equals to what? This is the sum of the focal distances. So see here, if I take this point P anywhere on the ellipse, so let's consider that point for understanding purpose. I am taking the same point P here. It is the point P, the same point I am taking. Now focal distances becomes what? See, you have this point, this sum, this is a one focal distance, and you will be having another focal distance. This is the another focal distance you will be having. Yes or no? So this is a d1 and this is a d2. Now देखो भाई, ये इतना पार्ट है ना, आप डबल काउंट कर रहे हो. इतना पार्ट you are counting twice. Means if I take this one part of the out of the two and this part is equal to this part. Yes or no? ये जो है ना दो पार्ट है ना, which is nothing but the same as this part. Means what? The focal distance of point P from the two, sorry, the focal distance of the point P is equals to what? ये पूरा लेंथ बोल सकते हैं क्या? Can you say this is the total length we have, which is a focal distance of a point P? Yes, very good. Means what? The focal distance of any point on an ellipse is always equals to the length of major axis. So what is the length of this axis? This is nothing but 2a. Okay, length of major axis. ये भाई एकदम स्टेटमेंट्स की तरह you can remember this. Means what? The focal distance of any point on an ellipse is equals to length of major axis. So I hope you have understood this. ये इतना पार्ट डबल हुआ था तो एक पार्ट निकल के मैं इधर रख दिया. So we have this total. Okay, so what is the answer is 2a. Very good. Next, the eccentricity of the conic 4x square plus 16y square minus 24x minus 32y equals to 1 is. So very first step what I have told you, convert the given equation into standard form. Okay, so देखो भाई अभी यहाँ पे तो standard form हो सकता है क्या? Yes, definitely. So what is the 4x square minus 24x plus 16y square minus 32y, it is equals to 1. So what I will do, I will divide the whole equation by 4. So x square minus 6x plus 4y square minus 8y equals to 1 by 4. Okay, now see, I will do some arrangement here. X square minus 6x plus 9, okay, plus 4, I am taking common from these two, y square minus 8, it is equals to 1 by 4. So you have added plus 9 here, so you add 9 on the other side. Okay, LHS में 9 ऐड किया है तो RHS में भी 9 ऐड करना पड़ेगा आपको बैलेंस करने के लिए. So what is this? This is nothing but x minus 3 whole square plus 4 into bracket. So what we will do here, y square minus 8y we have here. Okay, so y square minus, sorry, if you have taken 4 common, so here it should be 2, y square minus 2y. So y square minus 2y plus 1. Okay, so plus 1 you have added means what? You are actually adding plus 4. Okay, if you multiply this 4 inside, you will be having plus 4, and I will remove that 4 again, which is equals to 1 by 4 plus 9. Okay, so it is x minus 3 whole square plus 4 into bracket, this is nothing but y minus 1 whole square. ये 4 उधर लेके जाओ, which is equals to 1 by 4 plus 9 plus 4, which is equals to 9 plus 4 13. So 13 52, 52 and 53, 53 divided by 4. Okay, so you will be having finally x minus 3 whole square plus 4 into y minus 1 whole square, which is equals to 53 by 4. Okay, then what you will do, I want 1 on the right hand side, so divide the whole equation by 53 by 4. Okay, so let's divide. So it is x minus 3 whole square divided by 53 by 4 plus 4 into y minus 1 whole square upon 53 by 4, which is equals to 1. So what they are asking is eccentricity of the ellipse. So if you compare this with the standard equation, what you get is a square is equals to 53 by 4 and b square is equals to what? It is a 53 by 16. So ये 4 and 4 multiply हो जाएंगे. So you will be having 16 here. So eccentricity is equals to what? It is e square is equals to 1 minus, yes, it is b square divided by a square. Okay, so it is 1 minus b square is what? It is 53 by 16 whole divided by 53 by 4. So ये 53 तो गया cancel, ये गया 4 पे. So you will be having 1 minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 3 by 4. This is my e square. So if I take square root on both side, what you will get? So e is equals to root of 3 divided by 2. So this is my answer. E is equals to root 3 by 2. So option number C. This is the correct answer. So please make sure that you are first converting the given equation into standard equation of the ellipse. Okay, very good. Next, the distance between the foci of an ellipse is 16 and the eccentricity is 1 by 2, full stop. Length of a major axis of the ellipse is. See, what they have given is the distance between the foci. Okay, suppose you have this ellipse here. So ये first focus है, second focus है, and this is a minor axis you have. And I have told you one small trick, that is FVD. Okay, so it is F, it is V, and here somewhere you will get D. That is a focus, vertex, and directrix. And what are the coordinates we have? It is AE, 0, A, 0, and A by E, 0. It is a distance between the foci दिया है, मतलब ये distance दिया है उन्होंने. Means what? If it is AE, this is again minus AE. Okay, then what will the total distance between the foci? It is a 2AE. So 2AE is equals to 16 they have given. And eccentricity E is equals to 1 by 2 they have mentioned. So just substitute here E. So 2A into E is 1 by 2, which is equals to 16. So 2 cancel. So A becomes what? 16. A हो गया भाई 16. तो मेजर एक्सिस का लेंथ पूछ रहे हो. व्हाट इज मेजर एक्सिस लेंथ? इट इज 2b, isn't it? Sorry, it is a 2a. Sorry, it is the length of major axis is what? It is a 2a. So a अगर 16 है तो 2a कितना हो जाएगा? It is a 32. Okay, it is 32. If they are asking in the same question, if they are asking for the length of minor axis, then what you will do? We'll find out the value of b first. How you will find out the b? See, you know the relation between A, B and E. Okay, and you can easily find out this value of B, and from that if you double this you will get the length of minor axis. Okay, so in this question they have just asked for the length of major axis. So major axis is nothing but 2a. देखो भाई, जो फर्स्ट इलिप्स का जो पहला वीडियो है ना, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द 3.1 और 3, very important, because in that I have covered the concept of the ellipse and each and every parameter of the ellipse in very detail. Okay, so if you have not seen that video, थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट जाएगा ये आपको समझ में आने के लिए. ठीक है, सो व्हाट आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, प्लीज गो थ्रू दैट वीडियो फर्स्ट एंड यू कम बैक टू दिस वीडियो and it will be very easy for you. Okay, very next. Equation of ellipse with eccentricity 1 by 2 and a foci at plus or minus 1, 0 is. So E they have given it is 1 by 2, and foci they have given as a plus or minus 1 comma 0. Foci means it is s in bracket ae comma 0. So what they have given is 1 comma 0, means what, indirectly they have given me the value of ae. So ae is equals to 1 and e is equals to 1 by 2. So using these two equations, what you can write is a into 1 by 2 is equals to 1 implies a is equals to 2. Yes or no? If a is equals to 2, can you find out the value of b? If a is 2, which option you can directly cross? कौन सा डायरेक्टली ऑप्शन रॉन्ग हो सकता है? एक्स स्क्वायर बाय ए स्क्वायर, भाई यहाँ पे मुझे 4 चाहिए, तो ऑप्शन ए तो गलत हो गया भाई. Because of this, none of this, let's find out the value of b. Without b you cannot tick mark which one is correct. Okay, so let's see. So again the option C also you can cross mark. Why? Because on the RHS we have 1 in the standard equation of ellipse. So if you make this equation or the RHS equals to 1, your a value will change. See here, x square divided by 4 by 3 plus y square divided by 3 by 4 by 3, it is equals to 1. So यहाँ पे ये 4 cancel हो गया, and what we are getting as a square is equals to 3 in option number C, which is definitely wrong. So option C भी wrong हो गया. Okay, now option, whether option B is correct or none of these is correct, that will conclude only after finding the value of B. Okay, then how you will find out B? See here, A है अपने पास and E भी है. Then what we can do is we will use the relation between A, B and E, which is nothing but B square is equals to A square into 1 minus E square. So A square कितना गया? 4. 1 minus what is E square is? It is 1 by 4, which is equals to 4 into 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. So 4 cancel. So B square कितना गया सर? B square आ गया 3. So B square आ गया 3. It is A square and it is a B square. It is equals to 1. So what is the correct answer is? It is option number B. Very good. I hope अभी आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा होगा. Very good. If the lattice rectum of an ellipse is equal to half its minor axis, then what is its eccentricity? Okay, what is the lattice rectum of the ellipse? Lattice rectum मतलब it is 2b square by a. See, ये भाई आपको पैरामीटर्स है ना, फिगर से आपको फटाफट याद होनी चाहिए. सो ये इलिप्स है अपना, ये फोकस है, एंड फोकस से जो भी जा रहा है कॉर्ड which is a perpendicular to your major axis, this length is nothing but 2b square by a. Okay, so this is nothing but my length of lattice rectum. So क्या बोल रहे हैं वो? Length of lattice rectum of an ellipse is equal to half its minor axis. Now what is minor axis? This is my minor axis, and what is its length? It is a 2b. Okay, so it is a 2b square by a. This is equals to half, it is 1 by 2. It's a minor axis. Minor axis is nothing but 2 into b. See, length of lattice rectum is half of its minor axis. So ये 2 cancel हो गया, and ये एक b cancel हो गया. So what you will be having is b is equals to a by 2, or we'll simplify it as like this. So it is 2b is equals to a. So this is the relation we have in between b and a. So a is equals to 2 times of b. Then what is the eccentricity they are asking? So you have the value of a, b, and we can find out e easily. So e is equals to 1 minus, it is b square divided by a square. So e square is equals to 1 minus b square by a square. Now you will surprise that why I have used only this formula, that is b square by a square. Why I am not using a square by b square? Let's for instance I am using the other formula, e square is equals to 1 minus a square by b square. Then what happens? See here, it is 1 minus. What is the value of a? Here we have is, it is a 2b. So if you substitute, what you will be having, a square is equals to 4b square divided by b square as it is. ये b square cancel हो गया. So I will be having 1 minus 4 which is equals to minus 3. भाई e square अगर negative minus 3 रहेगा, तो can you, is it possible to get the value of e? No, not at all. So that's why you cannot take this formula. ये formula in this case it is wrong. What I am trying to tell you here is always use the formula or the factor which is less than 1. Here the b square by a square is less than 1. That's why I am using this formula here. So after substituting the values, what you will get here is it is 1 minus b square divided by a is what? It is 2b, so it becomes 4b square. So b square cancel, it is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 3 by 4. So e square is equals to 3 by 4 हो गया. Means e कितना गया बॉस? It is root 3 by 2. This is my answer. So which is your answer? Correct, root 3 by 2, option number C. So only tricky part is what here? Which formula to use? And for that what trick we have seen is use the factor which is less than 1, because eccentricity is always less than 1 and it is a positive. You cannot have the negative square root. That's why it is wrong. ये wrong है. Okay, this is right. Next, in an ellipse 9x square plus 5y square equals to 45, the distance between the foci is. So first step is what? Convert the equation into standard equation. Equals to 45. Divide the whole equation by 45. So you will be having x square by 5 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. So if you observe very carefully, we have the what? Vertical ellipse. Vertical ellipse, because b is greater than a. ठीक है ना? See, b square is greater than a square. So we have the vertical ellipse. So what is the focal distance between the two foci here? So this coordinate is 0 comma be, and this coordinate is 0 comma minus be. Okay, so what will be the total distance between these two? It is a 2be, isn't it? Okay, so you have a square, you have b square, so easily we can find out e square. So e square is equals to what? It is 1 minus what you will use, 5 by 9 or 9 by 5. I want less than 1 value here. So 5 by 9 is less than 1. So which is nothing but it is a 4 by 9. E square is equals to. So e कितना गया? ये आ गया मेरा 2 by 3. So I have e, a square and b square. So substitute here in this equation. So this is nothing but the distance between the two foci. So it is 2 into what is b? ये b है. So it becomes 3 and e कितना है? It is a 2 by 3. So 3 cancel. So I am having 4. So 4 is the distance between these two foci. It is a 4. Okay, so what is your correct answer is option number D. It's very, very simple. Next, the locus of a point which moves such that the difference between its distances from the two fixed points is always a constant. Okay, it is actually the definition of ellipse. Other definition of ellipse. What is the primary definition we have seen is, instead of this difference we have seen the sum. Okay, sum means what? The locus of a point which moves such that the sum of its distances from two fixed points is always a constant. So you take sum or the difference, no problem, you will get an ellipse only. Okay, see here. So these are the two fixed points we have. Now sum of the distances from these two fixed points. Okay, you take the sum or you take the difference, it is going to be constant. You take any point on an ellipse. Okay, ये कोई भी दो पॉइंट, कोई भी पॉइंट ले लो, ये जो डिफरेंस है ना, ये डिफरेंस आपका हमेशा सेम रहने वाला है एंड विच इज अ कांस्टेंट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. नेक्स्ट, what is the eccentricity of an ellipse if its lattice rectum is equal to 1/2 of its minor axis. Okay, so lattice rectum we have already seen. What is lattice rectum in the ellipse? It is 2b square by a. It is lattice rectum. It is equals to 1/2, that is a half of its minor axis. Minor axis कौन है? It is छोटा वाला, it is a 2b. Minor axis is 2b. So this is my ellipse. ओके, सो ये हो गया मेरा माइनर एक्सिस, दिस पार्ट इज माय माइनर एक्सिस विच इज अ 2b. ओके, सो फ्रॉम द गिवन कंडीशन दिस इक्वेशन वी कैन फॉर्म. सो ये दो दो पे गया, ये b से गया, सो व्हाट वी हैव इज 2b is equals to a. Again same relation, in one of previous question we get the same relation. So what they are asking is eccentricity they are asking. So eccentricity is equals to what? It is e square is equals to 1 minus, it is a square by b square or b square by a square. It is a b square by a square. I want less than 1 value. 1 minus b square by a square is what? A itna is 2ba. So a square will be 4b square. So b square cancel. So it is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equals to 3 by 4. So e becomes root 3 by 2. Okay, so what is your correct answer is? It is root 3 by 2. Option number D. Very simple, yaar. See, in each and every question of the ellipse, what we are finding is A, B. ये तीन पैरामीटर्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दे विल गिव यू एनी टू एंड दे विल आस्क द थर्ड वन. मे बी दे विल गिव यू ए बी. Most of the times they ask for the eccentricity, or in some cases they will give you A and E, they will ask for B, and vice versa. Okay, but the concept is what? You have to find out the value of A and B, at least A and B. Very good. Next, the curve represented by the equation 4x square plus 16y square minus 24x minus 32y minus 12 equals to 0 is. So in very first video of the conic section I have already told you, if h square is less than ab, then it is an ellipse. Yes or no? It is ax square plus 2hxy. So what is our second degree equation? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. In this equation, if h square is less than ab, then this equation represents an ellipse. So what is h value here in this equation? This h value, xy coefficient, we don't have any xy term here. So h is what? In this equation h is 0. So h square कितना आ गया? ये भी 0 आ गया. Now what is a and b value? It is ax square. So a is 4 and by square, and b is 16. So 4 into 16 is nothing but my a into b. Definitely here the case we have is h square is less than ab. Means what? This curve represents an ellipse. That is for sure. So first two options are wrong. Okay. Now ये तो ellipse हो गया fix है. Then what is the its eccentricity then? For eccentricity what to do? We have to find out the value of a and b. Okay, so let's find out the value of a and b. 4x square, it is 4x square minus 24x plus 16y square minus 32y minus 12 equals to 0. So divide the whole equation by 4. So you will be having x square minus 6x plus 4y square minus 8y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so here I am having some arrangement. X square minus 6x plus 9 plus 4y square. So you take 4 common. So 4, so y square minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. ये plus 9 इधर ऐड किया है. So first you add 9 on the other side also for arrangement, balancing. So this part is equals to what? ये इतना part हो गया अपना x minus 3 whole square. Okay, now again in this bracket I am doing some arrangement. So y square minus 2y plus 1 plus 1 you are adding, means what? You are adding 4. Actually it is 4 into 1, it is 4 minus 3 is equals to 9 plus 4. As you have added here 4, you are subtracting 4, or you are writing balancing the 4 on the RHS side. So it is x minus 3 whole square plus 4 into this is nothing but y -1 होल स्क्वायर -3 को अभी उधर लेके जाओ, कोई काम नहीं है, किसका काम का नहीं है इधर, तो इधर इसके लेके जाओ. सो यू विल बी हैविंग 9 + 3 is 12, 12 + 4 is 16. ओके, सो दिस इज द फाइनल इक्वेशन वी आर गेटिंग. सो इसको फिर से सिंप्लीफाई कर दो. यू विल बी हैविंग x -3 होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 16 प्लस 4 into y -1 होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 16 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. सो ये 4 पे गया. सो व्हाट यू हैव नाउ इज दिस इज a square and this is a b square. In this equation is transformed into this equation. So a square is equals to 16 and b square is equals to 4. Okay, now from this definitely we can find out the eccentricity now. So e square is equals to what? It is 1 minus b square by a square, which is nothing but 1 minus 4 by 16 equals to, so 16 minus 4 is 12 divided by 16, which is equals to, so it is 2√3 divided by 4. So ये गया by 2 पे, so you will be having √3 by 2. So eccentricity कितना गया, ये आ गया by √3 by 2, this eccentricity. So which option is correct? So option number D. See, these questions are what? Conceptual questions. That's why we are getting this much time to solve this question. But in the exam you don't expect these questions frequently. ठीक है, concept based questions रहेंगे and directly looking at the options will directly tick mark the answer. So that part or that those tricks we'll see while we are solving the previous year question paper analysis. Okay, so definitely I will be posting that video also, but you have to wait for that. Next is the lattice rectum of the ellipse 9x square plus 16y square equals to 144 is. So first convert this equation into standard form. So x square by 144 by 9 ये गया मेरा 16 plus y square divided by 9 it is equals to 1. Okay, so ये हो गया मेरा a square, ये हो गया मेरा b square. Lattice rectum पूछ रहा है. Lattice rectum is nothing but 2b square by a, 2b square by a. So it is 2 b square कितना है, it is 9 by a is what, it is a 4. So ये गया by 2 पे. So 9 by 2 is my answer. This is my length of lattice rectum. As simple as that. Very very easy, isn't it? Yes. Next, the eccentricity of the ellipse is, again we have the same question. ठीक है, so 25x square minus 150x plus 16y square minus 175 is equals to 0. So you take 25 common. So 25 into x square minus 6x plus 16y square minus 175 is equals to 0. So what you can add or subtract here? So 25 into x square minus 6x plus 9. See how I am getting is, it is actually a minus b whole square. It is 2 into a ba. So 2 into 3. So वो 3 का square I am taking here 9 plus 16y square. See here you are actually adding 9 and multiplying by 25 means you are actually adding 225. That is 25 into 9 is what? 225. So that 225 I have to subtract. 225 minus 175 it is equals to 0. Okay, so it is 25 into this part is equals to x minus 3 whole square plus 16y square minus 225 and 175 कितना गया भाई, ये आ गया 400. ओके, सो उसको इधर लेके जाओ, ये आ गया पॉजिटिव 400. ओके, नाउ divide the whole equation by 400 because I want 1 on the RHS side. So I will be having x minus 3 whole square divided by 400 by 25. So that will be equals to 16 plus y square divided by 25 is equals to 1. So if you simplify you will get this. Okay, क्या पूछ रहा है वो? Eccentricity they are asking. See, this is the value of a square and this is the value of b square. So e square is equals to what? It is 1 minus a square by e square, that is b square, which is nothing but 1 minus 16 divided by 25, which is equals to 25 minus 16 is 9 divided by 25. ये हो गया मेरा e square की वैल्यू. सो e कितना गया, e आ गया मेरा 3/5. This is my answer, 3/5. Option number D, 3/5 should be my answer. Very good. Next, what is the sum of the focal radii of any point on a ellipse equal to? अभी focal radii बोलो या focal distance बोलो, same thing. Okay, focal radii means it is the focal distance of a ellipse. Okay, ये suppose the ellipse है अपना. This we have already seen in the previous question. So focal distance is always equals to what? It is length of major axis. Okay, ये distance कितना रहेगा? This distance is d1 plus d2 कितना है? It is always equals to this length of major axis. So length of major axis, option number B. Focal radii or focal distance, both are same. Next, the equation of ellipse with foci at plus or minus 5, 0 and x is equals to 36/5 as one directrix. So this equation is what? This equation is of directrix. Okay, ये जो equation है ये directrix का equation. So in the ellipse I told you the trick, that is FVD. It is F, it is V, and next we have the D. F के coordinates क्या है? It is AE, 0, it is A, 0 and it is A by E, 0. See what they have given is foci they have given 5. So AE is equals to 5 I can take, it is equals to 5. So AE is equals to 5 they have given. Next they have given directrix as a 36/5. Directrix means what? It is AE, A by E they have given. So A by E is equals to what? 36/5. Then what you will do? You multiply these two equations. These two you multiply. What you will get then? AE into A by E, which is equals to 5 into 36/5. ये 5 कैंसिल हो गया, AE कैंसिल हो गया. So A स्क्वायर कितना आ गया? 36. A स्क्वायर 36 आ गया. क्या चाहिए आपको? इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स चाहिए. A स्क्वायर 36 है. चेक करो कौन सा ऑप्शन 36 दे रहा है. So ऑप्शन नंबर C और ऑप्शन नंबर C and option number D are the seems to be correct. Okay, पता नहीं अभी दोनों में कौन सा करेक्ट है. So उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा अपने को? B निकालो ना. Okay, so you substitute any one this A square. A is equals to 36. So यहाँ से A आ गया by 6. So you substitute this A in any one of the equation. Okay, so A by E is equals to 36/5. So substitute A is equals to 6 in this equation. It is 36/5. ये गया भाई 6 पे. So 1 by E is equals to 6/5. So E कितना गया? E आ गया 5/6. Okay, if E is a 5/6, can you find out the value of B square now? Because you know the A square, you know the B square. Sorry, you know the A square and you know the E square. Easily we can find out the B square. Okay, so B square is equals to what? It is A square into bracket 1 minus E square. So A square is 36, it is 1 minus E square, it is 25/36. 25/36, so it is 36 into 11/36. So 36 minus 25 is 11, so 36 cancel. So B square कितना आ गया भाई? B square आ गया 11. Now you can directly tick mark the correct answer, which is what? Option number B. Okay, because here we have the 11 part, B square. Isn't it? It's very very simple. Next, the eccentricity of the ellipse whose major axis is 3 times the minor axis. Eccentricity पूछा है आपको. Major axis क्या रहता है ellipse में? It is 2b. Sorry, major axis is 2a and it is the 3 times of its minor axis. So it is 3 times of minor axis is 2b. Okay, so 2a is equals to 3 times 2b बोल रहा है वो. So ये 2 cancel कर दो. So what the relation you have is A is equals to 3b. A is equals to 3b, but they are asking for the eccentricity. So E square is equals to what? It is 1 minus A square by B square or B square by A square. So it is B square by A square you will be having. So it is 1 minus B square divided by A square, it is 9 by B square. So B square cancel. so it will be giving me 1 by 1 by 9, which is 8 by 9. This is my e square. Okay, so if e square is equals to 8 by 9, then what is e? E is equals to root of 8 by 3, which is nothing but 2 root 2 by 3. Which option is correct? Option number C, 2 root 2 by 3. वेरी सिंपल है बॉस. देखो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन हम लोग सिर्फ ए बी एंड ई पे ही टारगेट कर रहे हैं. आपको भी वही करना है. नेक्स्ट, इफ द फोसाई आर प्लस और माइनस 1,0 एंड द मेजर एक्सिस इज 6, देन द इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स इज इन इट्स स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इज गिवन बाय. फोसाई दिया है मतलब क्या है, दे हैव गिवन ए ई 0, ओके, विच इज गिवन एज 1,0. प्लस और माइनस 1 दिया है, हम लोग डायरेक्टली पॉजिटिव लेके कंसिडर करते हैं. सो ए ई 0 मीन्स व्हाट, इट इज ए ई इज इक्वल्स टू 1 दे हैव गिवन, and the major axis they have given as a 6. So what is the major axis, which is a 2a, which is 6. So from this a is equals to कितना आ गया, 3 आ गया. Okay, a is equals to 3 and a is equals to 1. So substitute in this equation, so you will get, so it is 3 into e is equals to 1. So e कितना आ गया, 1 by 3. e आ गया 1 by 3, a आ गया 3. Okay, now ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. See, the instance you get a is equals to 3, cross check which option is correct. ये भाई a square is 8 है, this is wrong. What is a square value we have is, it is 9, it should be 9 only. So a is wrong and d is wrong. अभी यहाँ पे भी a square correct है and यहाँ पे भी a square correct है. But what is the difference between these two options is, this is a shifted ellipse because its vertex is at 2,1. Vertex is at 2,1. If the vertex are at 2,1 or at non-zero, then your foci coordinates should not be like this. If your foci are lying on the x-axis, if the foci is lying on the x-axis like this, plus or minus 1, say it is 1,0 and it is minus 1,0. If your focus is lying on the x-axis, then your vertex should also lie on the x-axis only. It should not lie on any other. ठीक है, ये प्लेन में किधर भी नहीं जा सकता है. If your focus is lying on the x-axis, both the focus are lying on the x-axis, then definitely your vertex should also lie on the x-axis only, because we know that FVD concept, ये F है, ये V and D है. FVD क्या रहता है भाई, ये लीनियर रहता है, एक ही लाइन पे रहेंगे ये सब. FVD इधर के और FVD इधर के, ये 6 के 6 पॉइंट आपको एक ही लाइन में दिखेंगे. ओके, सो देर इज नो चांस टू गेट दिस वर्टेक्स एनी अदर प्लेन में, कोई दूसरे पॉइंट में होना, इट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पॉसिबल. ओके, सो definitely the option C is also wrong. We cannot have the shifted ellipse here as we have the foci on the x-axis. So what is your correct answer is option number B only. ठीक है, so no worries, आप यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं. So you find the value of B, you can find the value of vertex. So what is vertex? इसके coordinates क्या है? It is a, 0. And what is its coordinate? It is a minus a, 0. So a कितना है? A is 3. Okay ना? So a is 3 and minus 3. So 3,3. Okay, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Share with your friends, seniors and juniors. Comment करके बताओ how you find this video. And definitely यहाँ पे एक circle आएगा. You just click on this circle and you will be subscribed to this channel so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.